Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to add another Face ID on iPhone. So with the new update of iOS 10, you can now add alternative Face ID in case you want to use another face to unlock your iPhone. So the first thing is open up your settings and you need to scroll down and click on General. After that, click on Software Updates and update your device to iOS 10. Once you have done that, go back to your main settings and you need to scroll down to Face ID and passcode. Once you click on it, enter your device passcode. And once you enter it, scroll down in this menu and you're going to see Set up Alternative Appearance. So click on it and verify your Face ID. Once you verify your Face ID, you can now start creating the alternative Face ID. So I'm not going to be showing you how that is done because it is very easy to set up. Just click on Get Started and start scanning your face. So let me just cancel it. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this. Thanks for watching.